Okay, I have to be honest with you. For the longest time, factory workers were just expected to deal with the noise. Clock in, ears ringing, clock out, repeat. Nobody talked about it. But then I started looking into what the right headphones actually do for someone on a factory floor. And I was genuinely shocked. Not just hearing protection. Your whole day changes. And that's exactly what this video is about. The best headphones for factory workers. Comfort, protection, sound. All of it. Let's get into it. Factory workers are often exposed to high levels of noise, machinery, and a variety of environmental hazards that can affect their overall work experience. One way to address these challenges and improve the working conditions of factory workers is to choose the right headphones. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the best headphones for factory workers. And honestly, some of these picks are going to surprise you. Let's go. 1. Soundcore by Anker Life Q30 Hybrid. The Soundcore by Anker Life Q30 Hybrid active noise-canceling headphone is the ultimate audio companion for those who demand nothing but the best sound quality, comfort, and convenience. Designed to enhance your audio experience, these headphones are packed with features that make them a great choice for music lovers, travelers, and busy professionals. Immerse yourself in music or silence with advanced hybrid ANC technology that combines feed-forward and feedback microphones to effectively block out ambient noise. Choose from 3 noise-canceling modes, transport, indoor, and outdoor, to adjust the level of noise cancellation to suit your environment. 2. 3M WorkTunes Connect Hearing Protector. The ultimate solution for hearing protection and entertainment at work. Designed for the modern worker, these sleek black earmuffs combine the essentials of hearing protection with the convenience of wireless technology. Whether you're working on a noisy construction site, busy job site, or DIY project, these earmuffs offer an innovative way to stay connected and protect your hearing while you enjoy entertainment. These hearing protection earmuffs offer a high level of noise reduction, effectively protecting your ears from loud, harmful sounds in your work environment. 3. Avantri Aria Headphones. This is a wireless over-ear headphone with active noise cancellation. Active noise cancellation can only reduce low-frequency noise, so having hearing protection is good for factory workers as they can be aware of their surroundings. These headphones come with powerful and high-precision 40mm stereo drivers. They provide an excellent music experience. The sound quality of these headphones is very balanced, with clarity and rich bass, so you can enjoy music beats while working or just use it as a hearing protector. 4. ProCase Noise Reduction Safety Earmuffs. The ProCase Noise Reduction Safety Earmuffs are the ultimate solution for protecting your hearing in noisy environments. Whether you're at the shooting range, working on a construction site, mowing the lawn, or doing woodworking, these earmuffs are designed to provide superior protection for both adults and children, and they even come with a stylish red touch. These earmuffs boast an NRR of 28 decibels, effectively reducing harmful noise levels, making them ideal for activities such as shooting, construction, and more. 5. DeWalt Hearing Protection. DeWalt Hearing Protection is your best companion for protecting your hearing while working in noisy environments. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, our hearing protection is designed to ensure your safety and comfort, so you can focus on your work without worrying about damaging your precious hearing. DeWalt Hearing Protection provides a high level of noise reduction, effectively blocking out loud and potentially harmful sounds. All right, that's numbers 1 through 5 done. Look, if you spend 8, 10, 12 hours on a factory floor, the right headphones genuinely change your day. Your hearing matters. Your comfort matters. Every single pick on this list delivers, whether it's the Soundcore Q30, the 3M WorkTunes, Avantri Aria, ProCase, or the DeWalt. Links are all in the description below. Hit subscribe if this helped, because there's way more coming. Stay safe, protect those ears, and I'll catch you in the next one.